Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebra equations. But before watching this video, pause it and give it a try in the comment box, because in the next 5 seconds I'm going to be showing you all the things that we need to solve this problem and present you 2 different methods to apply this problem. So let's get into it. When you consider the solution from here, we have x squared, x plus 2 raised to power of 2 equals 100. Here is the given questions. Here, for the first method, if I transfer this to other side, we have x plus 2 raised to power 2 minus 100 equals 0. And 100 here is a perfect square, which we write it as 10 raised to power 2 equals 0. So after knowing this, we have to recall from the difference of 2 squared identity that, let's say we have a squared minus b squared. This equals a minus b, then multiply by a plus b. So we call this difference of a 2 squared. So applying this one using this format, we are going to have x plus 2, then minus 10. All this in bracket. And again, we have x plus 2 plus 10, everything equals 0. So x plus 2 minus 10, it gives us x minus 8, then multiply by x plus 12 equals 0. With this, we are going to let x minus 8 equals 0, that is x equals 8. And also, we have x plus 12 equals 0, that x equals minus 12. Here is the first method of solving this problem, as just simple as it is. Let's get into the second method of solving this. For this second method, this is more simpler than the first one, where we have x plus 2 raised to power of 2 equals 100 as the given questions. Let's take the square root of both sides. So by applying this square root here, we have x plus 2 raised to power 2 equals the square root of 100. And anytime we have the square root of x raised to power 2, so this is given as absolute of x. As we know that absolute here divine based on the positive and the negative. So coming here, as this one is given as minus x and plus x. So this is how this thing is divided. Then we are going to apply it to this, as the first case is given as the absolute of, we have absolute of x plus 2. This is equals the square root of 100, and that gives us 10. So going by the positive, we have x plus 2 equals 10, and here x equals 10 minus 2. If x equals 10 minus 2, therefore our x here equals 8, which is the same thing as what we get from the beginning. And secondly, by considering the negative of this, we have x minus open bracket x plus 2 equals 10. So here, by taking this negative to this side, we have x plus 2 equals minus 10. Then subtracting 2 from both sides, we have x equals minus 10 minus 2. And minus 10 minus 2, it gives us minus 12. So I presented 2 different methods in less than 4 minutes. Let's see how we solve this. We are going to check this by substituting all these things into the given problem to check if the 2 sides are equal. Let's try and substitute. For this one, for x equals 8, we are going to have 8 plus 2 raised to power of 2. This equals 10 raised to power 2, and that is 100. Again, if x equals minus 12, we have minus 12 plus 2 squared. This equals minus 10 squared, and that equals 100. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.